Namaskar children, once again I am Kavita Krishnani. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Now start with prayer. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam The lion and the cows. Once upon a time, there lived 4 cows in the forest. फॉरेस्ट में कौन रहता था? फॉरेस्ट में 4 गाय रहती थी. Once upon a time, there lived 4 cows in the forest. फॉरेस्ट में 4 गाय रहती थी. Every day they used to graze together in a particular spot. हर रोज ये गाय मतलब अपनी एक पर्टिकुलर स्पेस पे वो घास खाने जाती थी. They were all friends. वो चार गाय फ्रेंड्स थी. One day a lion saw the cows grazing together. एक दिन वहां पे कौन था? एक दिन वहां पे लायन ने गाय को घास खाते हुए देख लिया. The lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. लायन चाहता था कि लायन गाय को खाना चाहता था, इसलिए वो इनको मार के खाना चाहता था. When the cow saw the lion, उस चारों गाय ने लायन को देख लिया. All of them fought with him. वो चारों गाय लायन से फाइट करने लगी, लड़ने लगी. The lion had to run away. लायन वहां से, शेर ने क्या किया? शेर वहां से दौड़ के भाग गया. A few days passed and the cow were left between themselves and started grazing separately. एक दिन क्या हुआ? एक दिन काव ने झगड़ा किया होगा, इसलिए काव ने क्या किया? गाय ने वो अलग अलग जगह पे सेपरेटली घास खाने चली गई. Then one by one the lion killed of them. तो लायन को, शेर को क्या हुआ? शेर ने देखा कि चारों गाय अलग अलग जगह पे घास खाने चली गई है. मतलब वो उसने देख लिया, उसको मौका मिला. फिर शेर ने क्या किया? गाय को 1 by 1 उसने गाय को किल किया, उसको मारा एंड देन वो उसको खा गया. देन मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ. मतलब हमारे में क्या होनी चाहिए? यूनिटी होनी चाहिए. अगर हमारे में यूनिटी होगी तो हम टीम वर्क के साथ वो काम सक्सेस होता है. अगर हम अलग अलग काम करेंगे तो वो काम कभी भी सक्सेस नहीं होता है. देखो ये गाय थी, वो चारों अलग अलग चली गई, मतलब वो अकेली हो गई. तो शेर को भी मौका मिला कि अलग अलग है तो मैं भी उसको मार के खा जाऊं. सो मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ. हमको एक साथ रह के काम सक्सेस जाएगा. Okay children? Animals can sometimes be dangerous for us if we hurt them. So we should be careful and never touch them. Okay? I want to tell you about wild animal, children. Which animal is this? Lion. Which animal is this? Lion. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Lion is the king of the jungle. Which is the first letter of lion? L. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. Now next. Children, which animal is this? Tiger. Which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. Which is the first letter of tiger? T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. Now next. Now tell me children, which animal is this? Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Which animal has a long neck? Which animal has a long neck? Giraffe has a long neck. Which is the first letter of giraffe? G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Now children, next. Which animal is this? Children, which animal is this? This is a zebra. Which animal is this? Zebra. Which animal has black strip on its body? किसकी बॉडी पे ब्लैक स्ट्रिप्स होते हैं? Zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now children, next. Which animal is this? This is a monkey. Which animal jump from tree to tree? Children, which animal jump from tree to tree? Monkey. Which is the first letter of monkey? M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. Now next. Which animal is this? This is the biggest animal of the earth. Elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now children, now tell me, which animal has a trunk in place of a nose? किसको nose की जगह पे trunk होती है? Elephant. Elephant has a trunk in a place of a nose. Now next, which animal is this? Rhino. Which animal is this? Rhino. R for rhino. R for rhino. R for rhino. Now, which animal is this? Bear. Which animal is this? Bear. B for bear. B for bear. B for bear. Now children, today's class work is page number 25. Page number 25 in worksheet. Let's learn about wild animals and write their first letter in circle given. What are we doing today? Today we are doing see the picture and write the correct letter. Now you have to write CW and mention date. Okay. Now tell me children, which animal is this? This is a lion. This is a lion. Which is the first letter of lion? Now think fast. Which is the first letter of lion? Yes, very good. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. Now next, which animal is this? Elephant is the biggest animal of the earth. This is the elephant. Which is the first letter of elephant? E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now next, which animal is this? Which animal jump from tree to tree? Monkey. This is a monkey. Which is the first letter of monkey? M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Then next, rhino. Which animal is this? Rhino. Which is the first letter of rhino? R. R for rhino. R for rhino. Then next, deer. Which is the first letter of deer? D. D for deer. And how to write D? After and standing line. Okay. Then next, zebra. Which is the first letter of zebra? Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Then, which is our national animal? Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Which is the first letter of tiger? T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Again, L for lion. L for lion. E for elephant. E for elephant. M for monkey. M for monkey. R for rhino. R for rhino. D for deer. D for deer. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. T for tiger. T for tiger. Now children, you have to write only small letter. Okay, you have to write only small letter. Okay. Now children, today's class work is page number 25 in worksheet. First you have to write CW and mention date. Which is the first letter of lion? L. L for lion. L for lion. Then monkey. Which is the first letter of monkey? We have to write small letter. M for monkey. Then elephant. Which is the first letter of elephant? E. I have to write in this box E. E for elephant. Then rhino. Which is the first letter of rhino? R. R for rhino. R for rhino. Then next, deer. Which is the first letter of deer? D. How to write D? After and standing line. D for deer. Then next, giraffe. Which is the first letter of giraffe? G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Then next, zebras. Which is the first letter of zebra? Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Then next, tiger. Which is the first letter of tiger? T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Our classwork is done. Then next, फेवरेट वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के पिक्चर स्टिक करने हैं. टेक द पिक्चर ऑफ योर फेवरेट वाइल्ड एनिमल। आपको यहाँ पे आपके जो भी आपके फेवरेट वाइल्ड एनिमल हो उसके पिक्चर यहाँ पे आपको टिक करने हैं। ओके ओके, थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन।